come outside in the morning, get ready for work, and you press the start button on your car and you get this. So now I gotta go do this. Oh, you see that up there? That's looking kind of saucy, man, with the yellow. Yeah, that black and yellow kind of taken from my little look there. Alright, y'all, drop my baby off right now. Check to see what's the started issue, man. Take this quick walk around, make sure I ain't got no scratches and dents. I encourage everybody else to do the same shit, man. Make sure you don't come back with no scratches or extra dinks and all shit. Piss off. Baby, oh, you can't see the damn Jeep in the way.
You wanna go back?
But it's all right. So yeah, just dropped my baby off, man. She got to get fixed, man. She ain't starting. You know what I'm saying? I think she got the corona. I don't know. I hope she don't. Should be playing around, man. People dying off this shit, man. It's not no joke. Where are we going? Because we going back that way, baby. You know
I knew that.
No, she didn't.
Hi.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't.
Shut up.
She didn't know nothing. Yeah, but yeah, man. Yeah, man. Going on 3 weeks without a barber. Starting the show. Do my own little facial thing. Goatee ain't lined up straight. Let's be honest with y'all. I'm a rookie at that right now. But, now I ain't no rookie, but it's been a while. You know, you got a barber, been doing your stuff for like 15, 20 years. You know, you forget how to shave your own face sometimes. But yeah, man, it's on the way back, man. Hear from a phone call from hopefully about Monday, Tuesday. Today, what, Friday? Man, you driving like you in the Hemi.
Shut up. I'm trying to make the line. That's alright.
Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Alright, y'all, man. I get back at you, man. Yeah, on that note, I'm out.